Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What if I tell you, one single tool in Illustrator can copy everything, colors, fonts, effects, even hidden settings in just one click? And the crazy part? Most designers don't even use it to its full power. Today's video, I will reveal 5 mind-blowing tricks of the Eyedropper tool that only pro designers know. Trick number 1, typography. Okay guys, here we are in Illustrator. Here I have 2 slides. The first one looks amazing with proper use of hierarchy, and the other one is just a child work or some trash work. If you will be going to fix this, it will take so much time. First, I will select this heading text. Here you can see this text color, typeface, font family, font size, font leading, font kerning, and font tracking. Same with the subheading and section. I know you may be thinking that you can make a copy of this text and edit it, but if you have a long paragraph, then what will you do? Here comes the trick. First, I will select this heading text. Here you can see this text color is red and typeface, font family, font size, font leading, font kerning, and font tracking. Here everything is different, but our typography slide is looking amazing. So select the red text here. Now jump to the Eyedropper tool and simply select the off-white text, and boom! Amazing result you will get. Here you see this tool not just copies the color, but also copies the whole typeface. Font family, font size, font leading, font kerning, and font tracking. Apply same trick with the subheading. Select the green subheading and check this character panel. Here everything is different. Again, jump to the Eyedropper tool and simply select the off-white subheading text, and boom! Here you see this character panel. Everything is the same, even the color also. We don't need to do anything. Just choose the Eyedropper tool and pick any text. Repeat the same process with the section text or shape also. Now you can see the magic of the Eyedropper tool, how easily we get it done. Trick number 2, color and gradient. Now guys, here I have 2 slides. The first one looks amazing with proper use of color, gradient, and stroke gradient. And other one is just simply color. Now I want same color on my slide circle. If you do it manually, see the color here, copy the color code and paste the other circle. But it will take too much time. Here comes the magic of the Eyedropper tool. First select the gray circle here. Now jump to the Eyedropper tool and pick the red color. Here you can see this will pick the same color value. But what about the gradient? Here I have black and white gradient, and another one is cool purple and blue gradient. I want this. Just jump to the Eyedropper tool and pick the gradient color. Here you can see this will pick the same gradient color value. Okay, it's good, but can this tool do same things with the stroke color gradient also? Here I have black and white gradient stroke, and just jump to the Eyedropper tool and pick the stroke gradient color. Cool! Here you see this slide, everything is same color. We don't need to do anything. Just choose Eyedropper tool and pick color. This is the power of Eyedropper tool. Trick number 3, transparency. Here I have 2 slides. The first one is colored with transparency, and the second one is a normal colored slide. Let me show you here. Every color opacity is 100. And here is, see, the opacity is different. Now select the circle and choose the Eyedropper tool and pick a color. Here, the opacity is 100. Now select the second one. Here you can see its pick color value with the opacity value. Now do the same things with the other circle and see the color and opacity value. Now you might be thinking, what is the benefit of this? Select all the circles, jump to the color box and choose any color, and you will get the color shades. And it will maintain the opacity value. Now you can see the magic of the eyedropper tool. Trick number 4, effects. Now I have this slide. There are two things. One is with a wire shape and the second one is a star. Let me show you the effects first. Select the wire shape and jump to the appearance panel. Here you can see the zigzag effect. If you will do manually, it will take too much time. Select this line, jump to the eyedropper tool and pick the line effect, and boom, here you will get the same effect. Now select the star shape. Let me show you the effects first. Jump to the appearance panel. Here you can see the pucker and bloat effect. Select this rectangle, jump to the eyedropper tool and pick the effect, and boom, here you will get the same effect. This is the power of the eyedropper tool. Trick number 5, Photoshop effects. Here I have two slides. The first one is with Photoshop effects, and the second one is normal. Let me show you the effects. First, select the circle shape and jump to the appearance panel. Here you can see the effects, fill color or stroke color and stroke width. Go to the effect, here you see the Photoshop effects. You can apply any effect here. All effects work like Photoshop effects. Now just select the shape and jump to the eyedropper tool and pick the effects. It will pick all effects, fill color and stroke color. Also, here you can see the effects. Now select the rectangle shape and jump to the eyedropper tool and pick all effects. Cool! It can apply to any shape with any color. It's totally up to you. So guys, this is the amazing power of the eyedropper tool, which only pro designers use. I hope you will love this. This is the 5 mind-blowing trick of eyedropper tool, which only pro designer know. This amazing trick can save hours of your work.